Hello, decorators! In this opportunity, we're diving into one of the most magical times of the year, Christmas. Specifically, we're talking about the latest trends in Christmas decoration for interiors. Whether you're a traditionalist or someone who loves to push the boundaries with new styles, I've got plenty of ideas and suggestions to make your home feel like a winter wonderland. First off, let's talk about color schemes. This year, we're seeing a beautiful blend of traditional and contemporary palettes. Classic reds and greens are always in style, but we're also seeing a lot of icy blues, snowy whites, and even bold, unexpected colors like pink and teal making their way into holiday decor. Mixing metallics is also a huge trend. Think silver, gold, and copper ornaments all on the same tree. It adds a touch of glamour and a modern twist to your Christmas decor. Now onto the Christmas tree itself. If you want to go traditional, a lush green tree adorned with ornaments collected over the years can never go wrong. However, if you're feeling adventurous, flock trees, which have that snow-dusted look, are incredibly popular this year. They add a serene, snowy touch to your living room. For those who love a minimalist approach, consider a sparse tree with just a few carefully chosen decorations. It's all about quality over quantity. When it comes to ornaments, handmade is in. There's something special about a tree adorned with unique, handcrafted pieces. Whether it's ornaments made by your kids or ones you've picked up from artisans, they add a personal touch. Another trend is incorporating natural elements like pine cones, dried oranges, and cinnamon sticks. These not only look beautiful but also give your home a wonderful festive scent. Moving on to the mantel, which is often the focal point of holiday decorating. Garland is a must, and you can go classic with fresh greenery or opt for something more modern like a garland made of felt balls or paper. Adding fairy lights to the garland gives it a magical glow. Stockings are a mantel staple, but this year, try mixing them up with different patterns and textures to add some visual interest. Think chunky knit stockings, velvet, or even sequin ones for a bit of sparkle. Don't forget about your windows. Window decorations can make a huge impact both inside and out. Wreaths are not just for doors anymore. Hanging smaller wreaths in your windows can create a beautiful, cohesive look. You can also add string lights around the window frames for a cozy glow. If you have a bay window, consider creating a little winter scene with fake snow, small Christmas trees, and perhaps even a few reindeer figurines. Tablescapes are another area where you can get really creative. Whether you're hosting a big Christmas dinner or just want your table to look festive all season long, think about layering. Start with a beautiful tablecloth or runner, add some charger plates, and then your everyday dinnerware. The centerpiece can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. A combination of candles, greenery, and a few ornaments can create a stunning look without being too fussy. One of the biggest trends we're seeing is the use of sustainable and eco-friendly decorations. People are becoming more conscious of their environmental impact, and this is reflected in their holiday decor. Consider using LED lights, which are more energy efficient, and opt for decorations made from natural or recycled materials. DIY decorations are not only eco-friendly, but also a fun way to get the whole family involved in the holiday spirit. Now, let's talk about the advantages of decorating your home for Christmas. It goes beyond just making your home look festive. Decorating for the holidays can have a significant impact on your mood and mental health. The act of decorating itself can bring a sense of accomplishment and joy. It also sets the stage for creating new memories and traditions with your loved ones. For families with kids, decorating together can be a wonderful bonding experience. It's a time to share stories about past Christmases, sing carols, and enjoy each other's company. For those living alone, decorating can still be a joyful experience. It's a way to express your personal style and create a space that feels warm and inviting. Plus, the process of putting up decorations and then enjoying them throughout the season can provide a much-needed sense of comfort and normalcy, especially in these uncertain times. Another great thing about decorating for Christmas is that it encourages hospitality. When your home is beautifully decorated, you're more likely to invite friends and family over, which can strengthen relationships and create lasting memories. Even if you're not hosting big gatherings, having a festive home can make small, everyday moments feel more special. One more tip before we wrap up. Don't forget about scent. Our sense of smell is closely linked to memory and emotion, so filling your home with festive scents can enhance the holiday atmosphere. Think about using candles, essential oil diffusers, or even simmer pots with ingredients like cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels. And speaking of creating your own winter wonderland, let's not forget about some of the smaller details that can make a big impact. One often overlooked area is the entryway. This is the first thing you and your guests see when entering your home, so why not make it festive? You can hang a wreath on the door, place a few potted mini Christmas trees or poinsettias by the entrance, and even add a welcome mat with a holiday theme. These little touches set the tone for what's inside and make everyone feel the Christmas spirit right from the moment they arrive. Another idea is to incorporate Christmas decorations into everyday items. For example, switch out your regular throw pillows and blankets for ones with festive patterns or colors. You can also swap your regular kitchen towels and bathroom hand towels for ones with Christmas designs. These simple swaps are easy to do and can instantly transform a space without much effort. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy and festive atmosphere. In addition to the fairy lights on your tree and mantel, consider adding some to other areas like your staircase, bookshelves, or even your bedroom. Battery-operated LED candles are a safe and versatile option that can be placed almost anywhere to add a warm glow. You can also use lanterns or mason jars filled with string lights for a charming rustic look. If you're someone who loves crafting, there are countless DIY projects you can try. Making your own ornaments, garlands, and wreaths can be a fun and rewarding way to add a personal touch to your decorations. Plus, it's a great activity to do with kids or friends. Some easy projects include making salt dough ornaments, paper snowflakes, or even knitting your own stockings. The internet is full of tutorials and ideas, so you're sure to find something that suits your skill level and style. Let's also talk about the importance of music in creating a festive atmosphere. Curate a playlist of your favorite Christmas songs to play while you're decorating and throughout the season. There's something about holiday music that instantly lifts the spirits and makes everything feel more magical. Whether you love the classic carols or prefer modern holiday hits, having the right soundtrack can enhance the whole decorating experience. One trend that's been gaining popularity is the concept of a themed Christmas. Instead of sticking to traditional decor, you choose a specific theme and carry it throughout your decorations. For example, you could have a Scandinavian Christmas with lots of natural elements, minimalistic designs, and neutral colors. Or maybe a vintage Christmas with retro ornaments, plaid patterns, and antique decorations. Other themes could be coastal Christmas, woodland Christmas, or even a specific color theme like gold and white. Theme decorations can be a fun way to try something new and make your holiday decor stand out. In summary, Christmas decorating is about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and reflective of your personal style. Whether you go all out with the latest trends or stick to timeless traditions, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and the joy it brings to you and your loved ones. So go ahead, get those decorations out, and start creating your own winter wonderland. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications for more amazing decorative content. Happy decorating, everyone!